So, Anisha, हम कहाँ पे हैं? Geroldsauerwasserfall. That means waterfall. It's like 10 kilometers from Baden Baden, and we have come in the awesome car of our friends, where one of the friends is there. Looks like taking a piss, but not. He's just in a parking lot. The person who is laughing at him is his partner, Anisha.
Do you see there's a route over there that takes us directly to the waterfall? There's a little walking path there.
तो हम लोग अभी जा रहे हैं वाटरफॉल के तरफ। बहुत छोटा सा वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस है, और ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे कुछ थोड़ा सा झलक दिख रहा है हम लोगों को। तो अभी जैसे हम लोग, ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा है कि ऐसा बहुत ट्रैक है, बहुत छोटा सा जगह है। एंड अभी बस 10 मिनट में मैक्स बड़ा सा वाटरफॉल दिखने वाला है। Heading towards the waterfall, but unfortunately we have been heading for a long time. आँखों में तड़प दिख रही है waterfall, आँखों में तड़प।
He is a beekeeper, and this is how he is collecting all the honey from the bees. So I think this would be like the wild honey, so the wild or forest honey, and that's his house.
And in German, the beekeeper is called an Imker, and the setup that they have of collecting honey and that entire bee farm is called an Imkerei.
information about this. That is the only information I can share right now. I will try to Google it and let you know.
It's called Geroldsauerwasserfall.
Okay.
And it's called that. It's called
Make sure
that.
you roll the R's. I would
called
call
that-
it Gerol. Sauer. But Kanna would say
Geroldsauer. It's because there's a place called Geroldsau just nearby.
he's gonna say whatever Veritasium said a few years ago.
Correct. But as Veritasium said, when there's water flowing on surfaces, especially at high velocities like this, it releases a lot of free ions, positive ions. And positive ions are really help in boosting the morale of people because it induces certain hormones. And sunlight has that ability, flowing water has that ability, and now we have both. So we're all at our happiest.
We're gonna test this bakery that these guys are raving about. Let's check it out. I think we're gonna order like 3 different types of cakes. 2. Nothing for Kastu.
We have 7 cakes in total here. This is a chocolate eclair. This is a carrot cake. This is a chocolate fudge cake. There are 2 of the German Black Forest cakes. And this is a hazelnut strawberry tart. And this is a lemon cake.